Hey folks, ever look up and see a drone and think, well, that's it. The robots are taking over? I do. Welcome to Dealing with Drone Anxiety, your fun guide to facing terror. First off, relax. Those buzzing little spies aren't here to abduct us. Yet. But seriously, drone anxiety is real. And if you're in New Jersey, you probably see more drones than seagulls these days. So, what's a human to do? Step 1. Remember, not all drones are out to get you. Some are just delivering your neighbor's pizza. But if you're still feeling on edge, hold your horses. I've got a hot tip for you. Try some deep breathing exercises. Yeah, you heard that right. It's like a magical reset for your brain. Consider consulting a licensed psychiatrist for more professional advice and counseling. Speaking of psychiatrists, you can actually talk to one without leaving your couch. Check out DPS Health and Wellness at dpshealthandwellness.com. Seriously, they've got teletherapy sessions that are easier to book than a table at your favorite restaurant. Now, back to those drones. Why not turn your fear into fun? Get yourself a drone and join the sky party. It's like facing your fears, but with more cool gadgets. Plus, you can spy right back on the sky invaders. So, next time you see a drone, don't panic. Take a deep breath, consider some relaxation techniques, and remember, DPS Health and Wellness has got your back. And if all else fails, just wave and smile. Maybe it's just Santa upgrading to tech delivery. Thanks for watching, and may your skies be drone-free and your spirits high.